get this thing up out of the ditch where I get to the end.
I want to apologize. I got that new GoPro and apparently had it set up wrong in the recording, and I did not notice it until I started editing this video. You can tell right here in this scene, or at least on my device here as I'm working on it, it's not set up in widescreen like it should be. And you'll see a few shots that are, and those are from my old GoPro, but the others are from my new one, and I guess the last two videos I did are the same way. But I've got it fixed now. As far as I know, I've got it set to where it'll show up right. I just wanted to apologize for that. Let y'all know I've got it fixed. I think I'll have one more video after this one that will still have the old this style setup, and then everything from there on should be good shape. You can see right there it just changed. That's with my older GoPro. The new one's got a little better film quality, but I just had everything set up wrong. At least I got it figured out. I just want to let everybody know the situation. But these are the trees that I cut in the previous video. So on this one, I pulled it out before I cut the other tree that you'll see in a few minutes laying on the pond dam. So I didn't want it to be in the way. I went ahead and got this one pulled out. It had been cut the night before, and then I cut the one on the dam, and then I went over and cut that maple, and you'll see us cleaning it up here in a few minutes and stuff. When you're trying to pull a log like I was right there, where the butt end's starting up in the air, it's not pulling down on your back wheels to give you extra traction, and the top of it, where it's trying to make that turn, was digging into the bank on the other side of the little creek there, making it hard to pull around that little bit of turn, which that's a pretty good size, pretty long log. But these logs end up doing pretty good. I loaded them up at the end of this video and hauled them off and everything. Sold them. Probably the last logs will sell for a while because of going back to school and everything. I just don't have the availability to take them to the log yard when I go back to work. But I'll let y'all watch the video. Hope you like it. If you will, please give it a thumbs up, and I'd like for you to subscribe if you haven't. And thanks to all of you that have, and the ones that leave comments and stuff. I really appreciate it, and should have everything straightened out on our video quality from here on out, I hope. Well, we got Safari Sam down here on the BX scraping up the brush and junk. They started raking it. We decided to do it this way, which is working pretty good. Get it all scraped down here to the bottom in a pile, and then I can carry it off. You can see it's raking it pretty clean over here. Looking good. Hated to cut that tree there out of the yard, but it was looking pretty bad. It had so much dead in it. Like it is something else and plant back right in through here. Probably right over in there, just behind where he's at right now. But that's working a lot better than a rake. Landscape rake be nice on a job like this. Landon's a little bit disappointed. He ain't getting to use his rake there, but you can see the disappointment on his face.